I think this is like a tsunami that is coming. You're better off being on a rocking boat than on the beach.
Pilot or AI, who wins the future?
AI.
Really? What makes you say that?
It will be a game changer in a way because I think it will democratize thinking because now a farmer in the field has more data in terms of how he can react.
Do you think today we have completely integrated AI into aerial technology, or we still have a long way to go? Welcome to Tech Udaan, where conversations take flight with innovation and technology. My name is Supriya, and this is a very exciting podcast for us because we are live from the floor of Drone Expo 2026 at Bangalore International Exhibition Center. And I'm quite excited to introduce my guest today with me because this is a conversation I am really looking forward to. So today we have with us Mr. Anand Krishnamurthy. He is the CEO of Epic Minds and Coolsoft. Welcome to Tech Udaan, sir. How are you?
Good, doing well. Thank you, Supriya, for having me here.
Absolutely. So it's my pleasure. So really want to know first, what exactly have you been doing with Epic Minds and Coolsoft?
So, Coolsoft is a company based out in the US. We do a lot of projects for the government, for different customers, banking, finance, etc. So, and Epic Minds in India, we also do with services for government. We do things in agriculture. We are also doing things in education as well to help students get better. So, there are different areas in technology, and we are trying to embed AI into these technologies. So, those are the things we are working in currently.
So, sir, embedding AI into almost the daily life of,
True.
every Indian out there. I know technology is moving really fast. And of course, need it or not, everybody is incorporating AI into
True.
their system.
True.
It's a very confusing conversation, of course, whether to be pro AI or not, that's a debate always. But of course, in some cases, it is pretty evident that we need AI.
True.
100%.
True.
How do you see AI making lives easier for people, especially in sectors that you have been part of, particularly as you mentioned, agriculture?
So I think it will be a game changer in a way because it is going to, I think it will democratize thinking because now a farmer in the field has more data in terms of how he can react. He can ask questions in his generic language, which was much difficult before for answers to come by. So that there are several areas we can see improvements. And consolidating many data points and explaining somebody was a little hard. Now that is much easier. So I think the whole process makes it a lot easier for people to kind of understand, converse. And over a period of time, all these kind of customer profiles get built up. So it is not giving you answers that you don't need. So it kind of is I would say like a customized AI agent. So I mean, to address your question, is it good or not? I think this is like a tsunami that is coming. You're better off being on a rocking boat than on the beach. Let me put it that way.
Very well said, sir. That is absolutely true. I feel like it's a wave, hate it or like it, but you got to ride it.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So, talking about AI, of course, very intrigued. How is it helping you in the agriculture sector particularly?
So what in the agriculture sector, what generally used to happen was there were a lot of points where people were having difficulties. Like for example, generally in agriculture, what happens is these agri-input companies go and explain farmers how things work. And they also tell them how to use pesticides, things. Sometimes you deliver information incorrectly.
Yes.
So now with we can look at their website data, make it good, and we can explain better in terms of how it is working. And I mean, with your aerial technology and stuff, I think there could be more done. I mean, we are also looking forward to do more in terms of how we can pick aerial images, see what is the kind of pests that are coming, can we do AI image analysis to make it better? So things like that. So I think there is a lot of scope. I think now there is also these satellite imageries that are available, kind of the Uber like where you could buy satellites for this one, so you could see spaces. So there is a combination of things will definitely help.
So, do you think today, especially when we speak of aerial technology, do you think today we have completely integrated AI into aerial technology, or we still have a long way to go?
No, I think there is always a long way to go. So that is the only way you make progress. So I think, yeah, there is a long way to go, but we have achieved quite a bit as well. So I do see, the positive side of this, that things will go well. In fact, even with the pesticides, insecticides, a lot of people were being affected by health just spraying those.
Yeah.
So those things have kind of improved, and they can do a lot. And now getting people to work in the farms is also hard. So this is going to go that way to where machines take
Right.
many activities that adversely affect human health also.
So I would really want to know, and this time specifically keeping the spotlight on aerial technology. How is AI incorporated currently in aerial technology, according to you, and how is it helping people?
So, we are not experts per se in the aerial technology, but I do see where things were reading of these multiple images which are coming, and how to correlate these images to solve problems that is happening. And there is also areas where you can find moisture beneath the surface.
Yes.
To see whether I could plant, this is the right time to seed plants. See, the problem is in agriculture, you're getting a lot of different data inputs like the weather, the satellite images, what plants have grown in the past. So, putting all these things together is what makes it nicer for the farmer or even the agri companies to make it successful.
Right. But you think we still have a long way to go for sure?
Sure, absolutely.
So before we conclude our conversation today, I have some very interesting questions since we are at Drone Expo. Drone tech or AI, what's bigger?
I mean, both are good. I think it's the combination that makes it bigger.
I feel like that's a smart answer. It's the collaboration of drone tech and AI which comes off much stronger, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect. And finally, pilot or AI, who wins the future?
AI.
Really? What makes you say that?
No, because recently they did those F-16 flights which were run pilotless versus pilot by the, and those flights were run by extremely good pilots like the Top Gun pilots.
Yes.
And AI can make swings that the pilot would never make, simply because there is a human element to this. You're experiencing forces that are unreal. So I mean, a human would probably just not do it. And it's already, I mean, if you see today, any domestic flight that is landing is all fly-by-wire. Anyway, the pilot is just there to make us feel safe. Right?
Correct.
I mean,
that's true.
So I think AI is going to just do it.
Wow. On that note, thank you so much for being with here on Tech Udaan at Drone Expo 2026. So it was a pleasure having you, and what a conversation.
Thank you so much for having me as well. Thanks.
Thank you.